Good morning, boys and girls, teachers, and staff. And today is September 28th of 2018. It is the last Friday of the month, so when we get back into school on Monday, it will be October 1st. So fall really has actually started here now. So a couple of announcements for today. So one is kind of a serious one. So I wanted to talk to you about playground behavior. So some of your behavior, I've kind of noticed it in the last couple of times I've gone outside for recess. Many of the boys and girls, especially boys and girls in kindergarten, you are not lining up when you should be. And when you do, you're not actually staying in one spot in the line. So I wanted to take a moment to review the expectations that we have for playground outside during the time frame that you have recess. All right, boys and girls, every teacher has something like this in their classroom. It gives all the expectations that tells about what you should be doing in all the areas of the school. So for the playground, for our positive attitude, you should be following the rules, use good manners, stay in line, and share the equipment and pick up the equipment that's there. For the A in academic achievement, you line up when the signal is given and when help is needed, and get help when needed. For the W for working hard, you stay always on school grounds. And for the showing respect, you take turns and throw away your trash. So one of the areas that really needs to be focused on is this one right here. Line up when the signal is given and get help when it is needed. So that is a big one where you guys need to make sure you're lining up when you're supposed to. The other one I need you to work on is this one right here for positive attitude. Follow the rules that are given out there and use good manners and stay in line. If you do those type of things, you won't have any problems at recess and you'll be able to enjoy your recess time. However, for some of you, I'm going to have to be calling you down to the office this morning because of your behaviors that you've shown at recess on the playground. So you can do it. It's not a lot of you. You make the choices. You make it the best you possibly can. But for some of you, you need to make sure that you're doing these type of things and following those rules. All right, going back to our announcements for today. We have our lunch choices. So we have fish nuggets with roll, cheese pizza, or American sub. And we do have some examples for our pause today. All right, boys and girls, for today we have some examples for our pause for positive attitude, academic achievement, working hard, and showing respect. So we have 3 girls here from Mrs. Light's class that are going to share those with us.
Don't talk on the teacher. Just talking. Think smart before you talk. When you're on the playground, never throw the wood chips.
Okay, those are some good ones right there, boys and girls. So remember your pause for today. Okay, boys and girls, so let's make sure we follow those playground expectations for playground behavior and also what the girls said about keeping things positive as our examples. And before we do our moment of silence, boys and girls, it's really important that we respect all the people in the school. Remember, you represent Perry Elementary. It's really important how you act in class is the same way that you're going to be acting out in the playground or the cafeteria or any areas within the school. At this time, let's please take a moment of silence. Thank you. If you could please stand for our Pledge of Allegiance. All right, it's time for our Pledge of Allegiance for today, so please make sure you're standing and have your hand over your heart. I pledge
allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Great job, girls. Thank you very much for helping out with the Pledge of Allegiance. Okay, boys and girls, I know it's Friday, So let's make sure we have a great day. Let's make sure we make great choices, especially on the playground during recess today. Sorry, teachers, the announcements are a little bit longer than they normally have been, but I really wanted to kind of reiterate to the students the importance about staying in line and keeping their hands to themselves, especially on the playground. Thank you and have a great day.